Hello dosto, how are you doing today? Today I am going to tell about the risk reward ratio. The perfect risk reward ratio is 1:2 or 1:3, means for $1 of risk you are putting $2 of reward, or for $1 of risk you are putting $3 of reward. That is called 1:2 or 1:3. People may go from 1:1 to 1:16. I have seen a guy from UK who had trading loss 15 losses in a row, but in 16th trade he got a win. So one for him 1:16 is the risk reward ratio, and he covered all of the losses in one single trade plus profit. So for me 1:3 is the best. Okay, dosto, 1:3 means for 100 rupees of risk you want to you wish to get 300 rupees of reward in one trade. So one, or in other words, you might set up 2% of risk, maximum 2%, of the initial balance. For example, your initial balance is 1 lakh rupees, and so you can risk just 2000 rupees in one single trade. If first trade is not in your favor, you are going to lose 2000 rupees or $2000. And so remaining amount is 98,000 rupees or $98,000. For next trade you are going to risk 2% of 100,000 initial balance. So maximum risk you can take is 2%, and if you lose 5 times in row, you are going to lose 10% of your initial capital, means 10%, and you can stop and use the 90% of the remaining 90%. Your remaining balance will be 90%, so you can withdraw 90% and get rest for at least 1 month and practice. If you are hitting 5 stop losses in a row, means you are not doing well, so you can rest for 24 hours to 30 trading days in a row, and get practice in demo account, and practice on risk management. If your risk management is weak, you can lose all of your profit earned in 10 years just in one day. So you have to control your trading psychology as well. Okay, I'm Kali Chimadia from Nepal. So if you have any question, you can comment, and if you would like to have training, please comment. Training session is available, portfolio management is available. So portfolio management is just 1% per annum for large portfolio, or just 1% of the total capital used in your trading, for your trading for a year, for large amount of portfolio. Thank you very much.